Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some simple baked fish fillet. Yeah, so these are my fish fillet right there. As you can see, I already washed it, it's clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna firstly pour some olive oil on it so it's nice and moist. But you can use whatever fish you have, okay? Then I'm gonna firstly add some Cajun seasoning. And that's at least half teaspoon, you don't need a lot. Some fish seasoning, and that's half teaspoon. Some all-purpose seasoning. And that's half teaspoon. Some black pepper, half teaspoon. You don't need a lot of seasoning, okay? And some onion powder. Some garlic powder, and that's half teaspoon. So you're just gonna take your hand and just massage all that seasoning all over on your fish. Just gently do it because you don't want the fish to break, because these fish is very delicate. So after I finish seasoning this part, I'm just gonna flip it over and season the other side also. And you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? And I'm gonna also add some fresh thyme. You just want to sprinkle it all over on your fish. And I'm telling you, it smells amazing. This recipe, you guys gonna enjoy it. Simple but yet delicious. So here I have my oven glass tray. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some butter and just grease it. You can always use some vegetable oil or some olive oil. And the butter is going to make it to be nice and moist, so that's one of the reasons. So now I'm just going to add my fish. Like so. You just want to space them out. I'm gonna also add some Old Bay seasoning, at least 1 teaspoon. Just gonna sprinkle it all over on my fish. This is gonna make it your fish taste so good, guys. But if you don't have it, you just use whatever season you have, okay? And if you notice, I haven't used any salt because the seasoning already full of so much salt. So I try to cut down on the salt. So that's why I don't really use salt, because that seasoning, all of it full of so much salt, as I said. So I'm just going to put it in my oven for at least 30 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. So I just removed my fish fillet from the oven, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you guys, it's looking absolutely delicious. It is nice and brown, and this is exactly how I want it. I'm just gonna show you guys up close. I mean, just look at this. Oh my gosh, you see it, all that juice dripping on my hand? It look amazing, and it smells so good. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna plate it up, and I'm telling you guys, it looked amazing and it smells so good. You can serve it with whatever you prefer, with some mashed potato, with some sweet potato, with some rice, with some vegetable. So now I'm just gonna pour all that delicious buttery sauce all over on my fish. And I'm telling you guys, as I said, it looks so yummy. Please guys, share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. And don't forget, guys, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you. And I just garnish it with some fresh thyme, as you can see. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys, love ya.